In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward multiple emails at once in Gmail. This can be a real lifesaver, especially if you're managing a busy inbox and need to share several important emails with a colleague or a project team. Instead of forwarding each email one by one, which can be time-consuming and tedious, I'll show you an efficient way to accomplish it all at once. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox. Now, what you'll want to do is identify the emails you'd like to forward. You can do this by simply clicking the checkbox next to each email. This will select the emails you wish to forward all at once. Next, look towards the top of your inbox. You should see a series of icons there. What you're going to do now is click on the 3 vertical dots, which will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find several options, and what we're interested in is the Forward as Attachment option. Selecting this option will package the selected emails into one single email as attachments. Now, you'll be directed to a new email draft. In this draft, the emails you selected will automatically appear as file attachments. All you need to do is type in the recipient's email address in the To field. You can send this email to a single recipient or multiple recipients by separating their emails with commas. Feel free to add any additional information or instructions in the email body if that's necessary. Before sending, double-check that you've selected the correct emails and have them attached properly. Mistakes can happen, so it's always a good idea to review everything one more time. Once you're confident everything is in order, click the Send button, typically a paper plane icon at the bottom of the draft. Your emails will now be forwarded to the recipients you specified. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple emails in Gmail all at once. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can streamline your workflow and enhance efficiency in managing email communication. It saves a significant amount of time and ensures that all the necessary emails get to the intended recipient quickly and efficiently. Remember, this method is perfect for when you want to share emails in bulk without the hassle of doing it individually, making it especially useful for busy work environments or when collaborating on project-driven tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Gmail experience a little more seamless. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier and more efficient.